In a significant development, the Cabinet Committee on Security is expected to approve the 38,800 crore rupees project for manufacturing 83 Tejas Mark-1A fighter jets next week, and the contract will be signed at the upcoming Aero India 2021 in February. The Tejas Mark-1A will have 43 improvements over the initial Mark-1 version, which includes easier maintenance, an AESA radar, EW suite and beyond visual range missile capabilities, and this approval will take the total number of Tejas fighter jets to 123. Just weeks before the first metal cutting ceremony of the first medium-weight fighter, the Indian Air Force has confirmed that it has a requirement of 170 medium-weight fighters. The first IOC standard medium-weight fighter will take at least 18 months to be ready, which means that it will be available for trials by the end of 2022. The Aeronautical Developmental Agency and the DRDO have planned to have a 4-year-long test flight period and user evaluation phase, and will be manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics at the idle Tejas Mark-1A aircraft production line in 2026. At an annual production capacity of 21 fighter jets. The same production line and facilities will be used by the selected private sector company to build the 5.5 generation AMCA stealth fighter. In a very significant development, the Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment has handed over the retractable landing gear systems for the Swift UCAV to the Aeronautical Development Establishment. Top officials have confirmed that the Swift UCAV technology demonstrator will begin its developmental flights in mid-2021, and the Cabinet Committee on Security approval for the AURA unmanned combat aerial vehicle is also expected this year, as the Navy has also expressed huge interest in a naval variant. The transfer of technology of the indigenously developed high-speed expendable aerial target will also be done in 2021 to start its production. The test pilots of the Indian Air Force have been using the full mission simulator for the Tejas light combat aircraft at the facilities of Aeronautical Development Establishment for the past few years, and it has been upgraded after feedback from the pilots, and the development agency is now all set to deliver the first full mission simulator for the Tejas light combat aircraft to the Indian Air Force. Officials also confirmed that Aeronautical Development Establishment have begun work on the 1,500 km long-range cruise missile, which was cleared in July 2020. The Indian Air Force currently operates 37 units of the Rohini radar systems, and has deployed few units along the line of actual control, and these 3D multifunction ground-based radar system functions as the central early warning system for the Akash missile squadrons deployed in the region. It has a range of more than 200 kilometers, and is capable of handling 150 targets simultaneously, and it can also precisely calculate the height of enemy aircraft or projectiles. The chairman of Bharat Dynamics Limited has said that after the recent export approval of the Akash air defense system, the company is pushing for the approval of ASTRA air-to-air missile, countermeasures dispensing system, and anti-tank guided missile. He also said that the company is working with many foreign original equipment manufacturers to bring new technologies to India under transfer of technology, and start local manufacturing and also export them to friendly countries. He also added that the company has already started exporting lightweight torpedoes to a number of countries, and has won several new contracts. The Indian Army has detained a Chinese Army soldier near the southern bank of Pangong Lake in eastern Ladakh region, after he strayed across the line of actual control into the Indian territory. China has requested the Indian Army for the swift return of its soldier, and asked to jointly maintain peace and tranquility in the border region. This is a second such detention after October 2020, and the Indian Army would hand the soldier to the Chinese officials as per the established protocols, after it receives instructions from senior officers. According to the Defense Ministry, the establishment of 42 additional radar stations by Bharat Electronics Limited will be completed by November 2021. After its completion, the Indian coastline will be under the surveillance of 104 radar stations, which will be the largest coastline surveillance network in the world.